Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel where we keep you up to date with the latest in design trends and tools. Today, we're diving into the newest features in Canva that are designed to make your creative process even smoother and more powerful. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these updates are sure to elevate your designs. Let's jump right in and explore what's new. Magic Resize Enhancements. First up is the improved Magic Resize tool. Canva's Magic Resize has always been a time saver, but now it's even smarter. With just one click, you can instantly resize your design for multiple platforms, whether it's a social media post, a flyer, or a presentation. The new enhancements allow for better element adjustment, ensuring that your design remains balanced and professional no matter the size. Video Background Remover. Next, let's talk about the brand new Video Background Remover. This feature is a game changer for content creators. You can now remove the background from any video clip directly within Canva, leaving you with a clean, professional look for your video projects. No more need for expensive software or complicated editing. Just upload your video, click the background remover, and watch the magic happen. Draw Tool. Another exciting addition is the Draw Tool. Canva now lets you unleash your inner artist with freehand drawing capabilities. Whether you're sketching out a concept, adding a personal touch to a design, or creating unique elements from scratch, the Draw Tool gives you the freedom to get creative with just a few strokes. It's perfect for adding a custom, hand-drawn feel to your projects. Text-to-Image AI. One of the most talked about features is the new Text-to-Image AI. This cutting-edge tool lets you generate images from simple text prompts, opening up endless possibilities for unique visuals. Just type in what you want to see, like a sunset over mountains or a cat wearing sunglasses, and Canva will create it for you. It's a fun and innovative way to bring your ideas to life without needing to search for the perfect stock image. Collaborative design with comments. Finally, let's not forget the enhanced collaborative features. Canva has made it easier than ever to work with your team or clients. The new commenting system allows for real-time feedback and discussions directly within your design. Whether you're co-creating a project or gathering input, this feature streamlines the collaboration process and helps ensure everyone's on the same page. And that's a wrap, Genius Junkies. Canva continues to impress with these fantastic new features, making it easier and more fun to create stunning designs. Be sure to try them out in your next project and let us know in the comments which feature you're most excited about. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.